In this video, we'll show you how to set up and connect Windows and Linux client devices with Kaspersky Endpoint Security installed to KATA as NDR agents. First, make sure KATA with configured and enabled NDR functionality is already installed. Before continuing, also check that Kaspersky Security Center is deployed and KES is installed on client devices with default settings. First, go to the KATA web console in the Settings, Connection Servers section, select the Integration Servers tab, and click Add Endpoint Agent Integration Server. Select the node where the integration server will be created. Here, we'll use the embedded sensor of the central node. Enable verification of client certificates and create a new certificate, then save the certificate. You'll be automatically redirected to the settings window of the new integration server. Select Get Communication Data Package for clients and set a password for the certificate. This will download an archive you'll need in the next steps. The next steps to configure the connection of NDR agents we'll do in a KSC web console. Log in with a user account that has the right to create tasks at KSC level and configure KES policies. In the Manage Devices section, you can see a Linux client device with KES for Linux 12.3 and a Windows device with KES 12.10. To configure a Windows device as an NDR agent, first add the correct component to KES. Go to the Tasks section and add a new task for KES Windows called Change Application Components. Assign this task to the group with Windows devices. Leave the checkbox for opening the task details when creation is complete and click Finish. In the task properties, go to Application Settings. To make things easier, select the combined mode for selecting components for installation and the Network Detection and Response KATA component. Save the task and run it. After the task for changing the component composition is completed, we add a new task for KES Windows called Add Key and assign it to the corresponding group of devices. Select the key that was previously added to the KSC storage, which supports NDR functionality. Or add it in the Windows by clicking Add Key. Uncheck Use as Reserve Key checkbox. There's no need to open the task properties, so just save the task and run it. After the task for changing the component composition is completed, you can check that the component is now on the device. To do this, go to Windows Device via the Manage Devices section, then go to the Application section and select KES for Windows. Next, go to the Components section and find Network Detection and Response KATA. You can see that the component version is displayed correctly. It matches the KES version, but the license status is stopped. Go to the KES policy for Windows in Application Settings, Detection and Response, Network Detection and Response KATA. Activate the component operation switch, then select Server Connection Settings and add the KATA server certificate from the unpacked archive. Next, enter the KATA server address and port 8085, then save the policy. For Linux devices, all you need to do is configure the policy. go to the CAS policy for Linux in the Application Settings, Detection and Response, Network Detection and Response, KATA. Activate the component operation switch, then select Configure and add the KATA server certificate from the unpacked archive. Next, enter the KATA server address and port 8085. Remove address 127.0.0.1 and save the policy. Go back to the KATA web console and log in with the admin account. Go to the Settings, Connection Servers and select the Integration Servers tab. Choose the integration server you added and click Enable. Now connection and configuration of NDR agents is complete.